Open Bootstrap documentation. Search navbar again. Copy all the code. Open navbar.jsx file under Components folder. Paste to replace. Update all HTML class attributes with class name. Add some skeleton HTML code. Save the file, check in browser. We build the skeleton of navigation menu. Search card in documentation again. Find the horizontal section and copy all the code. This card element is a single item. We will convert it to a subcomponent. Create a file named item.jsx under Components folder. Remove this line of code because React uses different syntax for inline style. Let's add some image placeholders. Go to picturesum.photos website. Copy the code. Paste in the src attribute. Import the item subcomponent into main contents component. Duplicate item component a few times. Update the footer component. Import 3 components in app.js. Save, check in browser. We complete the layout. Next video, we will fetch the real data from WordPress API.